Hello, welcome back to Shanette for Life. In today's video, we're going to be making a refreshing, delicious, vitamin-packed, immune-boosting carrot juice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell and select all. This will ensure that you'll never miss a video that I upload. First, I will be peeling my ingredients, which are 3 carrots, 1 large navel orange, and about a 1.5 centimeter of ginger root. This powerhouse juice blend is packed with so many of your vitamins. You have your vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, calcium, iron, B6, K1, and also your biotin. There are also some great benefits as well. It helps reduces cancer risk, it lowers cholesterol, regulates blood pressure. It's great for overall eye health. It helps in aiding in weight loss, fight inflammation, and gives your skin that youthful glow. Now I'm chopping up my ingredients. I have to make sure that I'm cutting them fairly small because I have a very small juicer, and I want to make sure that the pieces will be able to fit. Okay, I'm going to be adding everything in the juicer right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw today. I will see you guys on my next upload.